What are frequency trees? Imagine a company is researching which kind of video game students prefer, puzzles or adventures, and the type of device they play on, mobile phone or games console. Misha prefers adventure games and plays on a games console. Corey prefers puzzle games and plays on a mobile phone. And everyone else has their own preferences. A frequency tree can be used to organize and display the frequencies for each outcome. First, the 20 people who answered the survey are split into two branches, 12 who prefer puzzle games and 8 who prefer adventure. Then each branch splits again to show how many from each type use either a mobile phone or a games console. Let's look at an example question. 30 musicians are performing at a festival. 18 are in a band, B, and the rest are solo artists, S. Of those that are in a band, 16 are playing on the main stage, M. Of those that are solo artists, 4 are playing in a small room, R. Okay, let's look at part A. Draw a frequency tree to represent the data. There are 30 musicians in total, so start with a circle containing 30. Then draw two branches, labeled B for band and S for solo. You're told that 18 people are in a band. That means the number of solo artists must be 30 subtract 18, which equals 12. Next, split each branch into two more branches, labeled M for main stage and R for small room. Of the 18 people in a band, 16 are playing on the main stage. That means the number from this group who are playing in a small room is 18 subtract 16, which equals 2. And of the 12 solo artists, 4 are playing in a small room, so the number of people from this group who are playing on the main stage is 12 subtract 4, which equals 8. Right, let's look at part B. Firstly, work out the probability that a randomly selected musician is a solo artist who is playing on the main stage. Out of a possible 30 musicians, 8 are solo artists and are playing on the main stage. So the probability is 8 over 30, which simplifies to 4 over 15. Next, work out the probability that a randomly selected person is playing in a small room. There are two parts of the frequency tree for small room. 2 add 4 equals 6 people playing in a small room in total, so the probability is 6 over 30, which simplifies to 1/5. Remember, when you're faced with lots of frequency data, organize it into branches in frequency trees so that you can interpret all the different categories.
For in-depth GCSE resources and practice, visit BBC Bitesize now.